Well, good morning. We are here. Your boy's up early. Got the man bag on. You know what's in the man bag when the man bag on. But we have business cards holder. Got some emblems for the wrap that's in there right now. So I'm up early, just trying to finish up this Hellcat Durango that's in here right now. But I just want to give y'all a more in-depth walk around of the shop. I know a lot of people probably couldn't really see it as much as they want to. So I'm gonna go ahead while no one's here. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything from every detail from top to bottom and everything we done. So check it out. We got the decals and whatnot up here, opening hours. We actually may be considering opening on Saturdays and Sundays for a certain amount of hours, but we will keep y'all posted and let y'all know. But right now, let's go ahead and get inside. All right, this is the front office. Look to your right, you see pretty much a little bit of everything. We got pretty much dyno PPF and more PPF, protective film, more. So all of this is PPF here, and this is more wrap. We got all wrap swatches here and more stuff down there. And as you go, this here is my layout of my Durango that was custom done. Well, customly designed, but of course I put it on. I put that shit on for real. But you come over here, got the velvet blue chairs here, sitting area. We got my rug. Shout out to my guy Cali Custom Rugs. He hooked me up. Got the 50-inch right here with the PS4 upgraded to PS5, but we do have a Nintendo game that we're probably gonna bring in. Business cards. The wife put the front desk together. Got some plants and etc. And a lot of people probably didn't notice. This is wrapped. Shout out to my boy Philip. He helped me wrap this wall. Shout out to my wife for having us do it. And then we also did the flooring. So I don't think a lot of people, let me lock this out. Let's lock that dang thing when I'm in here solo. But I got it on me. But anywho, we did the flooring and everything. My boy, shout out to my neighbor Cliff, pulled up and helped me with the flooring. Let me get the light so you can kind of see it. Yep. All the way. This here is like storage area for all my wraps. You walking into a different world. So that's that, and I had to get my Naruto on. Everything's here. Gar, my two main characters, Gar and Rock Lee. Itachi and his crew. So yeah, this is the front office. Wife got that together. Shout out to the wifey. This is basically my kids' little play area over here. This is where they be. This is their little area when they're here. And then we go into the maid of honor. This is my home. So let's close this. We got the employees only. So let me break everything down for y'all. We got the R34. We got the GT500 1967 fastback. This is my ultimate. These are my two old school dream car, JDM dream car. Here is space. It's the bathroom basically. And yes, the wall, I've wrapped this. And the meaning behind space is I am a flat earth believer. So with that being said, let me go ahead and plug. My son pulled out the wrong one. Let me go ahead and plug one of these in. There we go. Wow. Deadass just blew the fuse. That's crazy. Fuck. That's a whole new fucking set. All because he pulled out the wrong fucking one. That was my fault for not fucking unplugging it first. Damn. Just blew every last one of these out. Oh, yes. Hell yeah. Maybe it's just... Okay, we good. Did y'all hear that make that fucking sound? Sound like they all just... Anywho, back to it. So, this is race deck flooring. Did black, blue, red, all that good stuff. Oh yeah, and back to this. So, the reason behind the space area, I'm a flat earth believer for the ones that don't know. So, we'll say that for another story. So, I don't believe space is a thing. I believe it's full of shit. So, that's why I wrapped space on the bathroom. And we have this Hellcat Durango here. I came in for a full wrap with custom orange racing stripes. So, we have to finish the stripes going up to the roof and to the back. And the wall is wrapped. I wrapped the wall. Is this my wife calling? Maverick Wraps. Oh, my boy Maverick. All right. Wrap the walls. Bay Bridge. We got the honeycomb lights. Then we go over here. Shout out to my guy. He pulled up and graffiti KJ Wraps on there. So if y'all can't see it, that is a KJWRAP and a Z. Then we got the office up there. And then also, we got a lot of my trophies and whatnot over there from the years I ran track throughout high school and college. And then back here, probably pull this out and show y'all, but that is wrapped with space theme also, and that's another wall wrap as well. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it and how it's looking so far. So I'm excited. I got to get started and hurry up and finish these stripes because my wife is going to kill me. But we out. And check out the new intro I'm going to drop after this video. But it's going to be before this video, but I'm going to drop it after because I'm telling y'all to look at the new intro. This is going to be my intro for all my videos. And I hope y'all like it. Appreciate y'all. Feel free to pop up. The address will be dropped in the intro video. And if you're on the Bay Area or if you want to drive down, check it out. It's a one-on-one shop. There ain't nothing like it. So this is me expressing myself, and this is my vision. Brought it to life, and this is on. Appreciate y'all.